What's happening, guys? My name is Henry and I'm with Ironedge, and today we're gonna be making protein ice cream. So what I'm gonna get you doing is grab your protein, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add 2 scoops, actually 2.5 scoops. I'm gonna be making a double batch, that's why I'm using half a scoop. This looks about right. We'll just throw it in there. Now what we're gonna do is grab your water. 200 milliliters of water. You wanna add to the cup, protein cup, right here. See that? Just like that. Get your lid, cover it up. It's fast, it's easy, it's effective. Just shake. Suggest shaking about 2 minutes. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour it in the bowl. There we go. Ooh, look at that. It's already turning out nice. That's an ice cream. I would eat this ice cream. Now the most important thing, you need a freezer. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the freezer, leave it for about 3 hours, 4 hours, depending how good your freezer is. But we're gonna be leaving it for 3 hours. It's gonna look real nice. All right, guys, it's been 3 hours for sure. And what we got here? We got a nice ice cream. Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. You got your ice cream. Only took what? 3 hours? That's easy. Now, for the most important thing, we're gonna be doing a taste test. This is gonna be tasting fantastic. I can already feel it. Just gotta dig through this. You know what? This will do for now. Okay. Okay. Some. Yeah. Okay. I like this.